probably about 2.5, 3 years after we opened for business in Melbourne, we decided that we wanted to open an office in Sydney. Now, at the time, we were a relatively small company, and it was a pretty daunting prospect to open an office in Sydney. It's quite an overwhelming business environment. So I went up there for a couple of days and literally walked the streets of the city. Took a couple of trains around different suburbs in Sydney just to get a feel of what would it be like to offer a on-site service in Sydney. And I kind of came to the realisation that most of Sydney's like Melbourne except for the CBD. And if we work out how to provide on-site service effectively to businesses in the city, then we would be able to put together not only a good business, but a business that's got a compelling advantage over many other companies that may be providing a similar type of service. So what we did was we hit upon this idea of getting a van and literally ferrying our technicians across Sydney. So we have a van kitted out with parts, equipment for printers, and a driver, and we would have work in the city, and that driver would take one of our technicians, drop him off at a job, drop the other guy off at a job. The first guy may require a part, the van would go back, pick up, deliver a part to the first guy, then go back to the second guy, and we'd literally chauffeur drive our technicians around Sydney. So the irony is that, and it's an absolutely brilliant system. The irony is, if someone logs a call with laser fast today, the easiest place for us to deliver the fastest service to would be right in the middle of Sydney, the most difficult and inaccessible place to provide on-site service to. But that is something that we've distinguished ourselves in, and we've made quite a name for ourselves in the unique way in which we provide on-site service to central Sydney.